Hi, this is Dennis from Hawk Bay Loft, Chico, California. I've got my young birds out on the toss about 16 miles from their loft. This is the second time they've been here, and they did very well on the first one, the first training toss from here. This is all rice land here. Once you take a look at it, let the birds rest for a little while. This is rice growing here as far as you can see. And if you look over there, you can see the smallest mountain range in the United States called the Buttes. It sits right out in the middle of the valley. It's approximately probably 20 miles long, and it's got an elevation of a little over 3,000 feet. Here comes an airplane here. I don't know if they're seeding or they're putting fertilizer on or what, but just give you a good look at them. They're crop dusters. Pretty cool. Well, I'm going to go let the birds out before we get too much going here. Okay, guys, ready to go? Keep going. Pick it up, pick it up. Let's go, guys and girls. Get out, go, 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 go. See if I can see them here. Oh, there they are. Getting their altitude, boy, I tell you, they get it quick. Once they start heading into the sun, I won't be able to see them, but I don't see them now. All they see is the moon up there. The birds have flown the coop. Oh, there goes, take a look at that, guys. This plane was just seeding, putting more seed down, I guess. These crop dusts are pretty cool. Pretty neat out here. You see all kinds of animals out here, from raccoons to even deer, ducks, geese, you name it. There's everything out here. Possums, they even have foxes, squirrels. Now that plane's, yeah, they're putting seed out in some of those fields. Well, the birds are gone, so I'm going to take off. Hell, until the next toss, which will probably be at 25 miles. This is Dennis from Hawk Bay Lofts, signing off.